Good morning children. Last class we completed up to 4 questions. 5 and 6 I gave as a homework. Now 7th one exercise 2.2. All of you open your textbooks page number 28. Copy down the 7th question. See whatever I have written on the board you note down in your classwork box. So the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. So let the 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is x plus 8 and x plus 16. The sum which is equals to 888. Here we need to find the multiples of 8. So copy down the question children. 7th one. Let the 3 consecutive multiples of 8 be. Let the 3 consecutive multiples of 8 be x plus 8, x plus 16. The sum of these multiples which is equals to 888 means x plus 8 plus x plus 16 is equal to 888. Now add the variables x plus x 2x plus x is equal to 3x plus 16 plus 8 is 24 is equal to 888. Now 3x is equal to 888 minus 24. 3x is equal to 8 minus 4, 8 minus 2, 6, 864. So x is equal to 864 by 3. How many times x is equal to 3 2s are 6, 2 remainder 8 times and 8 times x is equal to 288. So the multiples is x is equal to 288. So x plus 8 is equal to 288 plus 8 is equal to 296. Now third multiple x plus 16 is equal to, it means 288 plus 16. So 8, 14, 1, 304. So the 3 multiples are 288, 296 and 304. Now see children, 8th one, the 3 consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they added up to 74. Find these numbers. Let the 3 consecutive integers are x plus 1 and x plus 2. Now see 8th one. Let the 3 consecutive integers are 3 consecutive integers are x plus 1 and x plus 2. So these are multiplied by the numbers 2, 3 and 4. It means x is multiplied by first integer. X is multiplied by 2. It becomes 2x. Then second integer. So x plus 1 is multiplied by 3. It means 3x plus 3. Then third integer is multiplied. What is the third integer? X plus 2 is multiplied by 4. It means 4x plus 8. So add all these integers which is equals to 74. It becomes, so 2x plus 3x plus 3 plus 4x plus 8 is equal to 74. So 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. 5x plus 4x is equal to 9x. Now 3 plus 8 is equal to 11 which is equals to 74. So 9x is equal to 74 minus 11. 9x is equal to 63. Then x is equal to 63 by 9. 9 7 times. So x is equal to 7. Now the question is asking find these numbers. So what are the numbers? So first one is x, no children. Now second one is x plus 1. So 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Third one is x plus 2. So 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So 7, 8, 9 are the numbers. Now see children, ninth one. The ages of Rahul and Heron are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56. Find their present ages. Now see children, we don't know the ages, but here we have given the ratio. So let the ages be x. Now see ninth one. So let the ages be x. So what is given children here? The ratio is given. The ratio of the ages is equal to 5:7. So it becomes, what are Rahul and Heron? So the age of Rahul is equal to 5x. The age of Heron is equal to 7x. The question is given, so 4 years later, so means after 4 years, so 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4, which is equals to, their ages will be is equal to 56. So 5x plus 7x is 12x plus 8 is equal to 56. So 12x is equal to 56 minus 8. So 12x is equal to 48. So x is equal to 48 by 12. Then x is equal to 4. The question is asking, what are their ages? The age of Rahul is equal to, so the age of Rahul is equal to 5x is equal to 5 into 4 is equal to 20 years. So the age of Heron is equal to 7x is equal to 7 into 4 is equal to 28 years. Now see 10th one. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. So what is the total class strength? See children, here we don't know the number of boys and girls. So let the number of boys and girls be x. So here one thing is given, the boys is 8 more than the girls. So let the number of girls be x. Then boys becomes x plus 8. Now see 10th one. Let the number of girls be, x. So let the number of boys be 8 more than the number of girls. More means addition. So x plus 8. The ratio of boys and girls is equal to 7:5. So x plus 8 by x is equal to, ratio means division of children, 7 by 5. Now take cross multiplication. So 5 into x plus 8 is equal to 7 into x. So 5x plus 40 is equal to 7x. Now 40 is equal to 7x. 5x is transposing. Now 40 is equal to 2x. X is equal to 40 by 2. So x is equal to 20. Now see x value 20. The question is asking, what is the total strength? So girls is equal to, x is equal to 20. Then boys x plus 8 is equal to 20 plus 8 is equal to 28. So total strength is asking. So total strength is equal to number of boys plus girls. So 20 plus 28 is equal to 48. See next one. Baicheng's father is 26 years younger than Baicheng's grandfather and 29 years older than the Baicheng. The sum of the ages all three is 135 years. So what is the age of each one of them? So here we don't know the ages, but Baicheng father is 29 years older than the Baicheng and Baicheng grandfather is 26 years older than the Baicheng's father. So let the Baicheng's age be X. Eleventh one. So let the Baicheng's age be X. Baicheng's age is be X. So Baicheng's father age is equal to Baicheng's father age is equal to, so Baicheng's father is 29 years older than the Baicheng, means 29 years older means add. Next, Baicheng's grandfather is Baicheng's grandfather age. So 26 years older than the Baicheng's father. So the sum of the three ages means Baicheng's age plus Baicheng's father age plus Baicheng's grandfather age x plus here 55 is equal to 135 years. Now see, x plus x, 2x plus x, 3x plus 9 plus 5, 14, 1, 6, 6 plus 2 is 8 is equal to 135. 3x is equal to 135 minus 84. Now 3x is equal to 5 minus 4, 1. Now 13 minus 8 is 5. So x is equal to 51 by 3. So x is equal to 17 years. So this x is the Baicheng's age is equal to 17 years. So therefore Baicheng's age is equal to 17 years. So Baicheng's father is equal to so x plus 29, 17 plus 29 which is equals to 46 years. Now Baicheng's grandfather age is equal to Baicheng's grandfather age is equal to x plus 55, which means 17 plus 55, 7 plus 5, 12, 6, 72 years. Now see children, homework is sent through WhatsApp. So thank you.